Ken from Alliance with a S.U.I.T.E message. S.U.I.T.E, S-U-I.T.E, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. Today I want to show you a couple large customized batch cleaning systems that we developed for cleaning a very specific engine component. It'd be a machined aluminum casting with a lot of crazy part features, internal passageways. It's just very difficult features to clean. So let's take a walk inside the machine and take a look. These machines have very highly customized manifolds, all stainless steel construction. We're doing both washing and drying within. So we can open up the fixture. Parts can ergonomically be loaded into the fixture, and then we have a movable machined manifold that actually engages the part and creates an opportunity for us to seal specific part features so we can flush internal passageways and clean very specific machined holes and blind holes and other component features. We also have probing cylinders that can be used to engage into internal passageways, and we have air cannons which blow on the part to aid in drying the component. If you have a precision machined component to clean, be it stainless steel, steel, aluminum, whatever the material might be, let us help you work through the challenges of the cleaning process. It might require a batching system like this. It might require an inline system. We can work through those details with you and help prescribe the right machine for your application. Ken from Alliance, have a sweet day.